If you're in the market for a new iPhone 10 case, I want you to go ahead and take a look at a new manufacturer. This is Tudia. That's Tudia. You can find them all over the place on the internet, Instagram, Facebook, all that fun stuff. I want to go ahead and take a look at these cases. I think this will be a good cost-effective way if you are looking. This is actually to get into a new case, but this one is actually my favorite of all the three. Take a look at that back. Look at this. That's the front of it. Let's pop this thing open and actually take a look at this case. Get that out of the way there. So here it is. This is the glossed case. You can kind of see it's written there, G-L-O-S-T. This is really, really nice, kind of light pink. Now this is a good case. It's a nice, I'm going to put the price there. It's good, cost effective. It has the raised edges. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. Raised. Dropping the phone, not really too worried about it. It's protected because the edges are raised. Same thing there. Nice protected edges. Lifts the phone up. Alright, here's the next case. This one is known as the Merge. This is my second favorite. Here we go, we got the Tudia, T-U-D-I-A logo. This is kind of rubbery, right? This is good for protection, but it still has this metallic back. Look how that fits in there. It just encompasses it and looks really nice. I like that feature. You see that? Take a little picture. Boom. Nice, quick. Good buttons. Oh, comes up right away. Nice. You know, I know this case manufacturer hasn't been around for a long time. They're making their way through Amazon and other parts of the internet. If you're looking for a case for your new iPhone 10 or any other case, check out their site. See what else they have available. This is the tan. This, unfortunately, is the basic of them all. Doesn't have nearly as much raised edges as I would like. This is definitely going to be your more budget case feature. I'm going to go ahead and put links in the description so you can purchase all of these. This is slender. It's slim. Easy buttons. This is more like a rubber thick skin than it is a case. This is, I don't know if this is the best one for protection. This one is definitely a better quality build. This is the Merge. I like it a lot. And my favorite, the Glossed. G-L-O-S-T. Hugs your phone. Doesn't pop open as easy on the sides. I love this cutout. And again, goes around it nice and smooth. Want to take a moment and give a shout out to Tudia for sharing these awesome cases with me. I'm super excited to do an unboxing. Even more excited to give these two cases a thumbs up. Whereas we're going to give this case a thumbs down. Alright guys, this isn't that great. Like I said, it feels like a plastic skin over your phone. If that's what you're going for, you're into budget, you're not looking to spend a lot of money on a case, that's what you do. These, extremely reasonable. Prices and links in the description. For the love of tech, we love to have fun. We love to do giveaways. As you know, we are always doing giveaways here for the love of tech. The next thing we have going on is a Nintendo Switch. That's correct. This is left over from the last giveaway. The person that claimed it wasn't the actual winner. We're not going to hold that against them, but we are going to take it and give it to someone else. The next thing we're giving away that we want you to be super excited about is a brand new Samsung Galaxy S9. That is correct. Free, new, in the box, never used, both of these. For the love of tech, if you want to enter into my next giveaway, as soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers, we are going to hold the giveaway. I just might keep adding things on. However, in the meantime, to enter, subscribe to the channel. After you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Ding! That way you get notified and you can enter into the contest. more than once, twice, maybe even 10 times. Go back, look at all my previous videos from February on. For the love of tech, let me get a Roman numerals 675 in the comments. Dash, let me know what you think about these cases. Is this something that you would go ahead and buy for yourself? Yes or no? Hot or not? Tell me what your thoughts are. Give me my Roman numerals with the dash, and that will enter you into the contest. For the love of tech, namaste.